Okay, scatter plot. So profit and shipping cost. Profit and shipping cost. See, when I select profit, so only the bar chart is highlighted and histogram is highlighted too. Okay. Now, if I select profit and product category, okay, so then again, so you have bunch of stuff that you can select from, but scatter plot is not one of them. Because for scatter plot to be one of the possible plots, you have to have two measures. Okay, when you have two measures selected, then scatter plot becomes possible. Okay. So now we have scatter plot, and once again remember, because of aggregation, you have only one mark there, and if you bring in product category to color, so when you bring in more dimensions into the plot, you increase the granularity as well as you increase the richness. So customer name, when you bring in customer name, then you add that, and you can change the you know how to change the axis format, right? So you right click, format, then you can do the formats here, the number format. Okay, you can change the tick mark, color, alignment, and so on. So that will be for formatting the axis. Okay. Now, if you want to edit the axis, all right. So here we can control a few things about the axis. You can change the tick marks. Okay. Right now it is automatic, so 0, 50, 100. But if you want it to be in a different way, the tick marks to be every 100 units, then right. If you want it to be every 200 units, then you can have that. Okay, you can, or if you don't want any marks at all, it's gone. Okay, and scale. Okay. Now sometimes the values are, okay, so you may have very, very small values and really large values in the graph. So that would make it some parts of the graph highly intense and some parts very sparse. Okay. Like here, suppose if so here it is very intense, lots of marks, and here there are very few marks. So if you want to spread it out, so you want the marks to be spread out, then one way of doing that is to use logarithmic scale. So your x-axis is now logarithmic. And you can do the same for y-axis as well. So you have too much concentration in one area, and so it gets spread out when you do it in logarithmic scale. So logarithmic scale is useful when lots of points get bunched up in one area, and then there are some which are way to the left or way to the right, and when you want the marks to be spread out, then logarithmic scale is useful. Okay, and of course you can use other dimensions to, for size and marks, size, labels, and so on and so forth.